Okay, we're looking at the premonition chart right now. We see a green directional strength. Green means the markets are moving up. The number here, in this case, it's a number 7, indicates that that's the strength that the markets are moving. It just turned to 8, so the markets are gaining strength to the upside. When that happens, we want to be going in the same direction as the market. So we're looking for a stock that turns from red to green. As soon as it turns to green, we'll buy the call. And so it's at this point, it's just a waiting game. We sit and watch, wait for something to turn green that's currently red. If they're already green, we don't buy them because we want to get them as it's starting to make its move. We don't want to get it as it's maybe coming to the peak and getting ready to turn down. You never know how far into the move it is, so it's a much safer bet to get it as it's just turning from red to green. We're looking basically for an imbalance. What this program does, it saves you a lot of time. You don't have to be watching all of these stocks. It tells you, it identifies it immediately when it's the ideal time to buy. See, CAT just turned red, but that's going against the market. You can play it that way, but it's a little riskier. eBay just turned red. Well, let's take a look at CAT and see if we would have made any money. I don't recommend doing that, going against the market. But let's see what we could have done there. There's CAT. Let's take a look at this one here. 243, 245 for the put. 243, 245. Let's see if it starts. Well, there we go. It's now 244, 246. Go up another cent. We're at a break-even point. Oh, there we go. Now we're 245, 246. So we got our money back. The worst we can do now is break even. Oh, look at that. Now we're in a profit. 246, 247. Oh, back to 245. Okay, there we go. We're in a profit. So you can see it doesn't take long, and this is even going against the market. When you go with the market, you can certainly do much better. But just in the interest of time, just to show you that it doesn't take long, and Premonition is a great tool. I don't really know how anybody would want to trade without this tool. Okay, so that just showed you what it can do going against the market. Now let's see if we can find something going with the market. We want it to be going from red to green. That's generally a much safer play. We also have a little indicator here at the bottom. It says receiving data, and that's the number there is unimportant. It's simply like watching a tap. Just when you see the number increasing, you know that there's data coming down so that you're connected to the data provider. Getting what? Of course, the more reds we have, the more chance we have of catching one as it's turning green. I guess that's a good thing. Okay, we just had A. A just turned green, so let's take a look and see what we can do with that. There we go. A, look at an A call. There it is, 230, 233. 233. Let's see. Oh, now it's dropped a bit, so we paid 233 for it. We'll just watch that and see how long it takes to make a profit. There we go. It's 232, 235. So we're 1 cent out of the money right now. We paid 233 for it, as you recall. And so we just need that to pop up another cent, and we're at even money. So you can see it doesn't take long. And as you can see, we got 239 right now. It did go up to a high of 241. So not a bad game, and another success.